Today we'll talk about Elon Musk's Tesla smartphone. Let's head into it. For a while, there were rumors floating that Elon Musk is working to launch a smartphone known as Tesla Model Pi. Now, we have received a lot of very interesting features about this Tesla phone that would work on Mars using Starlink. But is it even real? Has Tesla made any announcements about this next-gen device, or if all of this is a massive hoax? Elon Musk is one mind-blowing individual, and Model Pi is exactly the same. If it was related to anyone else, no one would have believed that such a gadget could come into existence in 2022. But due to being related to Musk, people are convinced that it's real. There are many so-called revealed features and theories available regarding this Tesla phone on the internet. If they appear to be true, the smartphone market and the internet are surely going to break. Tesla Model Pi is a futuristic-looking smartphone, which the reports claim that world-famous EV maker Tesla is going to launch soon. There are various reports available about this next-gen device on the web, and all of them seem too good to be true. However, there have recently been released renders that show how the Tesla Model Pi would look like. This smartphone is also rumored to work on Mars, have Neuralink compatibility, mine cryptocurrencies, and will be the first ever satellite phone available for the masses. As of now, there is no official information available about Tesla Model Pi, and everything is purely based on speculations. If this rumored smartphone is true, then it could feature at least a Qualcomm Snapdragon 898 or higher, up to 2 TB of flash storage, and a Super AMOLED display. It's also rumored to have a special coating on the body that allows it to change color. The color of the body might be affected by environmental factors. Model Pi is also rumored to have a quad camera and a subscreen front camera. The speculators suggest that the cameras will be so powerful that they'll be able to capture images of the Milky Way. According to another leak, Model Pi could be charged with solar power. You can charge it simply by keeping it in sunlight. You can also control your Tesla car using it, and it would serve as a remote control. Model Pi will be compatible with Starlink and work on Mars. Multiple reports claim that Model Pi might feature an antenna that would link it with Starlink, and this will help it to work on Mars. There are also claims that it will have access to a download speed of up to 210 megabytes per second. Model Pi will work with Neuralink. Neuralink is Elon Musk's project that work on developing ultra-high bandwidth machine interfaces to link human brains to computers. Reports claim that Model Pi will directly connect to the user's brain and work accordingly. This smartphone will mine cryptocurrency, supposedly called Mars Coin. Users will be able to use it on Mars, while the phone will also work as their crypto wallet. This smartphone will not be the first satellite phone, as Thuraya and Iridium are already available. However, it will be the first smart satellite phone that anyone could buy. There is no official release date available for Model Pi from Tesla. In fact, there isn't even a confirmation available from the EV giant. But netizens know everything. Earlier, there were rumors that Elon Musk would reveal Model Pi by the end of 2021. However, there is no such update available now. So the new reports claim that Model Pi will launch in 2022. Although we believe that such a gadget will stay out of existence at least until 2025. Coming to its price, Model Pi will have too much to cost like a regular smartphone. Thus, it's going to have an exorbitant price. As a rough estimate, it could cost anywhere between $2,500 to $4,000. By now, you would have already realized that the Tesla Model Pi is not real. It could be some years down the line, but not for now. There are many reasons for that if we think realistically. Most of our rumors about the device started floating after an Italian graphic designer, Antonio De Rosa, shared renders of Model Pi in a video on his YouTube channel. However, people missed the description, where he clearly mentioned that he is in no way related to Tesla, and all the pictures are simply homage. Some users took them for real and started wondering about Model Pi. In my opinion, there's no point thinking about this gadget until Elon Musk tweets himself that it's real and it's under development. Those who won't believe his tweets anymore can wait for an official launch statement from Tesla itself. What do you think about the Tesla Model Pi? Tell us in the comments. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you'll love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.